Making coloring book pages on AI isn't as simple as you might think. Many times you can get images which have lots of gray areas, which are a bit annoying because then you have to kind of fix that. So, this specific coloring book page generator has eliminated that problem, and it creates images only with white inside and an outline on the outside. Something like this. But even more than this, there's something even more advanced than this, is a new tool called the image book generator, which lets you create an entire image book, not just a coloring page, but a coloring page book in one go. So here's an example of a book I created, which is called the Cute Animals Eating book, and the idea is that it creates a bunch of images within the same category all automatically. So here's one I completed. It's Cute Animals coloring book, and it just does the job for you. Means you don't have to think of each idea separately. So just without, I think instead of focusing on the coloring book page generator, which can be found in the apps menu, image, and then you click generate, that instead of that, let's focus on the AI image book creator and create a brand new coloring book. Instead of a page, let's create an entire book that will save you time. So I'll just click on the book and then click on image book, and that's going to be the one I want to use. And before you get started, make sure you select an app here. So I'm going to select the AI coloring book page, and then I'm going to refresh the page so that I can start a brand new book. So I'll click on create a new book button, and now I'll be reset this entire page. Now I click on this to select which type of imaging I want. For example, the AI coloring page generator or the mandala generator over here. So I'll start with the coloring page generator. Then I'll do the type of images, for example, cute animals. And then I'll select how many pages I want. For example, if I wanted 40 pages, then I'll just put it all the way to the end. Then I'll click the wand to give a name for this book, Cute Animals Coloring Book, and then I'll click on Generate Your Image Book. And what you'll see now is something magical. What's about to happen is that each image is going to be given a separate and unique title. Now, these titles will then become images as soon as it's completed all of these names of images. Once you've finished all of these, you click on this button down here, and it will then create all the images for you. This is just a workflow genius for anyone who's in the business of selling books on Amazon. The next idea I want to show you is the children's book creator, which is basically exactly the same idea, just with an actual book, meaning a storybook. For example, potty training. Imagine you could create this using AI automatically. So this is just an example of a complete book, but let me show you how to do this. You click on Start a New Book, and then you select one of the characters, or you can upload an image of yourself or one of your children, because believe it or not, if you upload one of your children into this, you actually have images which look like your child. Let me show you one example of my daughter and see how she comes out in the actual images. This is absolutely incredible. So here's an image of my actual daughter, and have a look at the images that this book created. Absolutely amazing, almost identical and animated kind of storybook about her. But without further ado, let's start a new book so you can see how to do this, how this can be done in a few simple steps. You can either select a regular character and you can write your storyline here, or click on the magic wand button, which will create a storyline for you. And then you choose the number of pages the same way as before. Then you click the wand button. This will create a name for the book, and then you can write your writing style. For example, if you want it to be in first person, you can say, I was a cute bunny, because this story is about bunnies. So this is going to be the writing style. You can write as much as you want in this box. Now you can select the type of image you want. I prefer Pixar. Then click Generate Your Image Book. Now what you're going to see now is the pages being created, each page one at a time. And this will allow you to then create images for each pages automatically. So as you can see, I was a cute bunny full of curiosity, and it was using the exact terminology that I used in the writing style. It's in first person. As you can see, this is all being created one page at a time. Once that's done, your next step is to generate the 11 images. You click on that and it will automatically then create all of the images one at a time for the book. And this is absolutely incredible because it can make you have the ability to create an entire children's storybook in a matter of minutes. And then after that, you'll even receive a KDP file, which you can then upload straight to Amazon. And it really is that simple. It's not complicated. With the power of AI, we're going to be able to do things very, very quickly and automatically without having to work so hard like we used to. So this is a powerful tool for anyone who's in the KDP business, making coloring book pages, making coloring books. Now you can make children's books effortlessly, just like you just saw just now in front of you, in front of your eyes. I just made an entire book while making a video, and I haven't done anything but press the mouse button. I didn't even paste or type anything except for my writing style, which I didn't even have to do. And once that's ready, once all the images are completely ready, we are going to do a few other things. But let's, in the meantime, click on book settings. We recommend text on the image, but you have to wait for the images to all be ready to press this. And that's all. Let's wait. Also, you can create an intro page for the book, and this will create, like before, an intro page which is going to go on the front page of the book before the book images actually start. Okay, that's all. Now let's see the images start popping up. So here are some images popping up as we wait for them to come through. So these are the kind of quality you can expect from the images. So as you can see, it matches the type of style that I've asked for, and it matches this girl right here. In another book I created, I chose a different style, and I got a different type of imaging result. As you can see, this is the kind of quality you can expect from our app. And the last 3 images are being prepared right now. So as you can see, this is the entire book almost already. And that's all. Okay, now that that's finished, what you do is you click on text above image. Text on image. And then you can actually, we have a whole entire canvas platform which lets you type on the actual image, meaning have the text on top of the images automatically where you don't have to actually do anything. As you can see, the image pops up and then the text goes on top. And as you can see, you just need to just make this a little bit bigger and then put the text on and shrink it a little bit, and that's it. Then I click apply and I'm off to the next page. This first image has now been created and it's ready for the next page. There we go. Next page now. And as you can see, you can do this very, very quickly and create a lot of books very, very quickly, as you can see. So as you can see, the text is overflowing, so I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And you know what? I can actually move it up here and just go like this. I think that's much more appropriate. But you saw how long that took. Took a few seconds and that's it. Just like that, you can create an entire book in a matter of minutes. So this was Daniel from generate.net. Make sure you follow us because you don't want to miss out on all these tools that you can use all in one website with the same credits, and it's all in one place. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.